So I'm going to present the hackathon project that we did. So this is the Slack app, where this is a Slack. This is the implementation of Slack slash commands, where I save and retrieve some useful information found in the Slack messages on demand. So basically, uh, when you are basically the problem we try to solve is information overload on the Slack messages channels, and finding useful stuff easily and quickly within the Slack channels. So there might be a numerous number of Slack channels that has useful information that we are searching for, and in order to get them at one place on demand, we don't have a good support in Slack. So I would like to explain the two slash commands that are implemented. One is the slash save, where you would be able to save any information, any nodes or URLs or anything that you would like, and classify it with a tag. So for example, let me go ahead and save slash save. I would give quotes as the tag name, and I have some popular quotes open in my browser. Let me get that. So let me copy this code and save it. So once I save it, the Rover bot, which I have named the bot user as Rover, will echo back the content that I saved. So you'll be able to get what you saved by using fetch command, and you can use codes here to get all the codes that were saved. So these are the codes that were saved. So basically, this is just like kind of a note-taking app you can use from Slack, and this information is saved in the cloud. To be more specific, it's saved in the Amazon cloud, which I will be going over shortly. So I just wanted to explain a little bit more about what you can do with fetch. So right now you can see all the nodes, all the information that is being saved. So I can do fetch, and in addition to tag, I can also use which channel I have to search for. So currently I'm in brainstorming channel. So I can use brainstorming and search here, and it seems I have saved two codes here. So this is the code that I saved lastly, and the code that I saved previously. So, and I can also search and fetch information based on the username. So let's see, this is me. So I have saved these many codes, and it seems there are more codes here. So let me search for my team member name. So slash fetch codes. So these are the codes that was saved by Anirban. So basically you can do these things, and I also wanted to show you what you can do with some timestamp oriented things. So I have saved some React resources under the tag name React. So when I fetch it, I get all these links and notes and everything combined. So I will be able to fetch things that I saved today, for example. So let's say I can give the date in the string format. So today is 14th. So this will give me all notes information saved today. So there was only one link that got saved today. So let me go ahead and just save one more link just to see it working with React. Okay, so I will use the same tag. So slash save React. So I saved this URL here, and I can fetch what I saved today's date is 2016 11 14. Okay, so this will give me 2 links to now, so that just got saved. So these are the things that got implemented in this hackathon, and using this mechanism we'll be able to even more do some sophisticated uh, advanced searches, but that might be implemented in the future. So I would like to show you how I got it implemented. So everything happens in the Amazon cloud, so no code is local. I can show you how it is done. So I use the Amazon API gateway for the REST endpoints, Amazon Lambda for writing my logic, Lambda functions for the logic, and IAM is for the roles that the app uses, Amazon uses for getting access to resources. So here the resource is the DynamoDB. So the DynamoDB is the key value NoSQL database that I used for storing all the content. So let me go through one by one just to give an idea of what it is. So the Slack is the API name, and I have 2 resources, Slack Rover Fetch and Slack Rover Save, which are basically the endpoints. So I think due to the shortage of time I won't be able to go in detail. So these are the API endpoints, and let me go to the Lambda functions. So the API endpoint actually communicates with the Lambda function. So basically there are 2 functions, Slack Rover Save and Slack Rover Fetch. So the save, so again I'm not going to go in detail, but this is just the code that I wrote in order to implement the save functionality. As you can see, that's not much code here, but it's just enough that you want to have the business logic implemented, so that's really good. And the fetch function, so the fetch is little bit more logic, but that's all it is. So and then this is the DynamoDB, where you can see all the information that got stored. So Rover is the table name, and these are the items that got saved. So these are the username, timestamp. So I have, so the channel, content, tag, these are all obtained from the Slack API, which I use to populate into DynamoDB, and I also use it for querying. And basically you can query, you can have some more advanced functionalities in querying by setting up more indexes. So right now I already have a lot of indexes set up that enables me to have a powerful query system that I used in the demo. And again the last is the IAM role. So this is used by the Amazon app to give permissions to use the DynamoDB resource. So Slack Rover Save is the IAM role that I used, and it has this I gave full access of DynamoDB so that it can read, write, and have other permissions. So this belong like and also this Yuvraj and Rover are the users that I use in order to log into Amazon console. So I think that's pretty much it, and the time is up. So again, this is the demo for our hackathon, and our team name is Rover. Please feel free to send me comments or email me, and hope we get some feedback. Thank you.